Brad Williams, XL Primed. How about we find the 4 highest golf scores? How do we do that? We're going to use the max function. And then we're going to use the if function with a less than the max combined. All right, first and foremost, we have a name range, score 244, golf scores. F9, Control Shift Enter for all of you with older versions of Excel. This is how we do this. Max, well, we know how to find the max. How do we find the second highest score? Max, if score 244 is less than E5, score 244. Max is critical here. If score 244, what are we doing? We're going to search this. We already know that 244 is going to have a bunch of numbers in it. Is it less than E5? And if so, well, let's see what happens. Hit this logical test. F9. False. True, 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 true. False, 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 true, true. That means there must be 283s in here. What we do is we look at if value is true, F9, and here we go. This is what happens. We identify the numbers less than 83. Anything in this case that equals 83 is a false. It can't be less than itself. Then max is going to go, all right, I'm looking for trues, and I want the highest true. That's it. False won't use that 83, and it won't use that 83. So then it'll go 82, 82. It will pick the first 82. What happens to ties? Well, it only picks 1. And then we just do the same thing, 3 and 4. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks a lot.